Come here, little one. Do you go to school?
No,
What does your father do?
rickshaw driver.
Then why do you do this? What is your name? My name is Zaib. Tell me, what is your name?
My name is Khamar.
Wow, nice name. What does Khamar mean?
I don't know.
Well, come with me. I will not say anything. You come with me. You may want to stay away from me, but come with me. Here are some things to take. Please take it. I'll be very happy to help you. Please just take it. Okay, listen, I want to say something to you. You have to meet me whenever you come here. Okay?
Okay, yeah, sure. Thanks a lot for this.